as everybody knows, this was a great flat black with a satin red top. I thought it was cool as hell. The guys thought it was cool as hell, but it didn't go over very well out in the public for purchasing. I decided, and the guys decided, that we're gonna go all in. So now we went from a very nice driver was the goal before, and now it's going to be a very nice driver and then some.
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
All right, we're back at it. It's Monday the 28th, the Monday after Christmas. As y'all can see, we did get snow for Christmas. So I think Chris is actually out in the plow truck right now, trying to take care of that a little bit. And the guys are hot at the 66 carryall and doing it the way it should have been done to begin with. Finding honestly quite more wrong than we had remotely thought was going on with this vehicle. So it's kind of insane how some people will put a vehicle back together. That being said, the guys are getting real close to being done with the bodywork on it, and I believe at that point we're pulling the frame out from underneath the body and gonna sandblast it and paint it and put this thing back together, get a new paint job on it. But let's take a look, see where we're at.
All right, everybody out there, this is a brand new part of our team. He is here for college break right now, and depending on how he does, he might go into summer work when he's off of college. He's here for the next 2 months. He's been here 7 days, and for 7 days, I want to ask him a question. So, Ethan, for 7 days, what have you been doing?
Sanding.
Sanding. What else?
A little bit of Bondo and glaze.
A little glaze and such. But sanding, and probably more sanding.
Yes.
Isn't this a glamorous life, building cars?
It's a little more sanding than I thought it was going to be.
It is. But you got to get it perfect, so that takes time. Anyway, we are taking the 66 Suburban. We cut out what the past owner did, which was had metal riveted in the floors. We cut all of that out. Tyler and Zach put in brand new metal. This side still has one piece left to put in. We're waiting for the lower corner. That was rusted, so we got a brand new one of those coming. Tyler has his side done. took the lower part, reworked that, made new metal for that, reworked the rear, got rid of all the rust. But I wanted to introduce Ethan and have him tell you all of the different variances that he has been doing for 7 days straight. So 70 hours at the end of today of sanding. This is where he's going to get his Popeye arms.
Yep.
Anyway, there you go. So, right now we are gapping all of the doors. We have fixed the top. We have the last people that did the body work, they actually had this tinned in. They had rivets over the top of it. We took out all of the rust in the floors and such, put in brand new metal, gapping everything, making everything perfectly smooth from panel to panel. Just putting a lot more work into it than what we wanted to before. Over there we have an LS motor that's going to be dropped into it, and a 4L60E. This actually is from my Tahoe that I personally drove for 4 years. Motor was strong, transmission was strong, just the frame went bad on it. So putting in an LS, putting in an automatic transmission, we're going to take the body off. We're going to media blast the frame. The frame is from Georgia. It's in great shape. And my wife's going,
Yeah, because he's going to turn the vacuum on. Hold on for 2 seconds.
So anyway, so we went from one caliber of truck. The straight six that was in here ran wonderful. Didn't blow smoke. Didn't have a lot of power. They never did. And it had a granny gear. It was a stick. Granny gear is good up to like 3 miles an hour. It's for pulling. The next step after this, we'll get into paint, and the guys are coming along really good. So that's where we are. That's what we're doing.
Body is off and chilling. Tyler's getting his setup all ready to go here. The frame for the 66 carryall. Clearly,
It's blowing air out
the
of
guys
here.
have made
Never
a
done
lot of
before.
progress over the last couple days. And the process has begun.
It's coming along nice. It's always the hardest part is doing the underneath.
Yeah.
Laying down.
And it's so warm.
Yeah, I just shut it off because my fingers are burning.
He's going in to get
Yeah.
hands warmed up.
They're warming up now. Moving around. Yeah, I think it'll clean up really nice. The only bad spots that we saw were back here. They're not even really bad. I mean, it's just kind of like where that body mount was.
Just the rear too. The rest
Yeah,
are great.
The rest of them are perfect.
And that's not that terrible.
No.
You can tell this was never a Midwest truck.
Yeah, no, it's really solid.
Zach and Tyler both cleaned out underneath here. Scraped off every little loose bit of the old undercoating. That was a job in itself. And then they sprayed on brand new Raptor liner. So now not only is all of the rust gone, like here, from here to here, that's all brand new metal. There are some pinholes, rust pinholes up in here. There are some rust pinholes up in here. So the inner rocker and floor, that was replaced on both sides. So that's all brand new. Raptor linered off, so it's not gonna rust ever again. And then here, all of this was scraped off. And then this is some of the old undercoating that was on it. So yeah, they did an awesome job. Everything looks new. And everything should be good to go. But yeah, we dove in deep on this. This was supposed to be a quick, make it into a beautiful driver and just have a nice driver. Well, now we're beyond that. So it's gonna be awesome though. Then check this out, frame. We media blasted the entire thing. Oh, it's dirty from all the scraping the bottom. But anyway, media blasted the entire frame to raw steel. And now this is all done and sealed and perfect. And there is no pitting whatsoever. This truck came from Georgia. We'd never find a frame like this in the Midwest on a 1960s vehicle. It'd be all pitted. The worst part there is right in the back. That's nothing. Nothing whatsoever. Anyway, very, very happy with how things turned out. Motor is ready to go in. We have to buy one adapter, but go in the right direction. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till the next episode.